today we are going to be doing a different type of video, and all this one is it's just educational. Okay, so today we are going to be doing an experiment to measure the wavelength of microwaves. And the microwaves are electromagnetic waves and the frequencies of gigahertz.
Here we have Bob 2 unwrapping the butter. Alright, almost got it completely unwrapped, and soon we're going to cut it. So Bob Hub and Bob 1 are getting some preparation together.
So I'm going to cut the butter first. Oh, okay, good. Wait, we only need one, don't we? Oh. Did you cut it? Done. Oh, okay, now we've evened them out nicely. Now, I think we're putting them in the microwave. So, okay. So we're just gonna be measuring from this part, and it is 13 inches, I think. And sit that up. Now we're gonna put a plate over top of this spinning thing. Okay, now we're gonna put this in with the butter. Okay, now we're gonna ask Bob up here to... Okay, so we set it for 5 seconds, and we're gonna start going now. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I think we're gonna do it for another 5 seconds. So another 5 seconds. Another 5 seconds. I don't think that worked. Okay. So that didn't work. So I think we're gonna set it for another 10 seconds this time. So 25. It looks we're still gonna need more. Yeah, more than, oh, we have one hole, but that's not even a full hole. So I think we'll set it in for maybe another, I think 20? Okay, we're gonna do another 10 instead. So we forgot to say, but this is a much different type of video. I think that's it. Is that good? That literally did nothing. Okay, so let's try another. What should we do now? Okay, so we've turned it about 90 degrees, and I think we should try maybe another 5 seconds. So it's still working on that one hole. So I think we should put it in for about 20 seconds. And let's do like, how many more? Okay, so that really didn't work. So we're gonna try again. So we were wrong, it actually did work. And we see that it got hot here and here. So let's do the measurements. So 4 is what? So 4 inches is what we got. Let's just try that again. Exactly 4 inches. Okay, so video. Oh, yeah, never mind. So here is the cover of the textbook we used, and this is the page. It's page 884, and so we were looking at the microwaves here, and see that little pen mark? You might not, but right there is where it was, and what we estimated this pencil mark, it's actually at this pen mark. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys liked it, and bye.